In this video, I'll be answering all your questions about Legacy's new platform, DX, about how to use it, how to manage risk, and actually how to get into positions. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all the new videos we have coming. Here, as soon as you log into the Legacy platform, this is gonna pop up. You might have a bunch of different windows. How you have just a clean chart is in the corner, you'll see these X's. It says close widget. If you press the X, it'll close that out. Down here, you press the X again, X one more time, and boom, then you have the screen in the chart completely filled where you can go mark up your charts and get ready to place positions. Over to the left, you will see you actually can expand your toolbar and you'll see the list of all these different tools you can use to go and place on your chart to help you with your trading. Looking around more, you can see up here, this is where you guys will be changing your time frames. Right now I'm on the 1 minute, it goes all the way up to the monthly, or you can do a custom time period. I'm gonna go here and expand the toolbar back. Up here in the corner is where you actually can go and change from position. Looking back at the screen, you can see up here, if you guys have multiple accounts with Legacy, you can click here. It'll have a drop down where you can go from one account to the other and then choose whichever one you want to be using. Here you'll see your balance. It'll always update in real time. Here you'll see the UPL. That is when you actually get into a position. That'll show your profit and loss going up and down. The day right here will show how much you either are up or down on the day, but I'm gonna show you guys that in a second right now. A lot of the questions you guys may have can be solved by just right clicking on the screen. If you right click, you will see a drop down of all these different things. You can buy market, which will get you in a buy right away, a sell market, which is just a market execution, but then we also have the sell limit and buy stops all included. So just by right clicking, you can actually go and place your position. Here you can see we currently are on NASDAQ. If you guys want to go and change and let's say go trade YM like US 30, how you're going to do that is over here in the corner where you see NQ, you can go and type in whatever you want. So let's say I want to trade micro NQ instead of mini. I'm going to type in MNQ. Click on it right there. And then here you can see we're going to pop up. And now you can see we are on micro E mini NASDAQ. So if you want to go and trade micros instead of minis, you can go and just type it in here, or if you just want to go to any other pair. Now, when it comes to actually placing a position and managing your trade, I'm going to get into it right now, but we're on the 1 minute time frame on NASDAQ. If you guys want to get rid of this watermark behind, a lot of the questions you guys are looking for answers for can be solved by just right clicking on the screen. If you right click, you're going to see a drop down of a bunch of different things. Like the best way to do it that I recommend is over here in the corner, you see we have buy market and sell market. And then the number right here is how many contracts you want to enter. Now that we have a clean chart when it comes to actually getting into a position, there's a couple different ways, but the best way that I recommend is over here in the left corner, you'll see sell market, buy market, and in between is how many contracts you want to get in. If you want to get in more than just one contract, you can just press the plus, or if you want to get into, you're on micro and you want to do like 10, 20, whatever, you can just go like that, type it in, and it'll show you how many you want to get in. Now, let's say I actually want to get into a position. I can come over here, one contract, let's say press sell, right? It took out these highs, I'm trying to get into a sell position. It got me in exactly where I pressed my sell. Up here in the corner, you will see my P&L. On the day, you'll see how much we are either up or down. A second ago, I accidentally right-clicked and it got me in a quick one right there, but you can see we are currently up $17 on here. Now let's talk about how to place a stop loss and a take profit. If I want to place a stop loss, because once again, I'm in sells, I'll put my stop loss above here. I can once again, right click and put a buy stop. Why? Because I'm in one contract sell. If I put a buy stop, it is going to then get me out of the position completely. That's the equivalent to having a stop loss. So now let's say I want to have a take profit. We're coming down. I'm going to right click again and put a buy limit. Why? Because once again, I am in a sell contract. To get out of that sell contract, I'm going to have to go and buy the contracts back, the equivalent. So once again, I'm in one contract, so I have to then buy out one contract. If these contracts had more than one, it's not just going to get you out, it's actually then going to get you into the buy. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. But now that we're in the trade, you can see we're currently up $30. When it comes to moving and adjusting your stop losses, it is so easy. Make sure real quick that up here you have one click trading on. This makes it that you can click and just drag your stop losses and take profits up, and then it literally will just, right when you let go, it'll say order replaced, show you exactly where it is. Same thing with the stop loss. You can click it, put it wherever you want, let go. It'll say order replaced. It is that easy when you have the one click trading on. If you were to take it off like this and move it around, what it's going to do when you let go, it'll say replace order and kind of confirm you want to do that. If you don't want to do that, all you have to do is put your one click trading on and press enable. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to drag this TP up so you guys can see it, come and hit it and get you out exactly where you want. Why I love futures is the zero spread. It's getting you in exactly where you want to, and it is getting you out exactly where you want to. You can see we're coming down literally to the T right here, and let's see if we can hit it right here. We're up $34 and so close. I'm moving this up right here. Let's see if we could hit it. But like I said, guys, it's super user friendly using this on the new legacy platform, and boom, order filled got me out exactly there. Now, because I still have that buy stop set, I have to come here. It'll say cancel order. I'll have this trash can icon. You click on it and boom, it is gone right there. Now, let's talk about getting out of a position if you don't want to hit your take profit or stop loss. You just want to get out because of how price action's working, right? So let's get into one more buy. Get into a buy right there. We get in exactly, look, we're instantly in profit. The zero spread is just unbeatable. If I want to get out of this one contract, and let's say you have your, your stop loss set up here, you have your take profit set up in here. What you're going to want to do is up here in the right hand side corner, you are going to see flatten all. If I press flatten all, it's not only going to get me out of the position, but also go and cancel all pending orders I have, like this sell stop or sell limit, like this sell stop right here. So it'll cancel all of them. But let's say price is going up and down and you want to just get out of the trade right away. Another way you can do that, guys, is once again, I'm in one buy contract. If I were to just press sell, one contract is going to be the equivalent to just getting out wherever it currently is, because I'm in one buy contract. If I sell that contract off, it's going to get me out of there. So you can see right here, we're currently up $16. So here you can see we currently are up $26. If I want to get out of this position just right away, I'm going to press that sell. And like you guys see, boom, added to the P&L on the day, order filled. Now you come back up and press flatten all. What is it going to do? Get rid of all my pending orders, guys. It is that easy. Using this platform is so user friendly. Everyone is loving it. If you're sitting there wondering where you can go see your trading history, up here you can see the P&L, but once again, if you come over here to account and market and you click on them, they're going to have a bunch of things you can add, but under account, you're going to see positions, orders, and trades. If you press on trades, you're going to see the list of all the trades you've gone into. Right here, you can see the ones that we just got into right here. But then once again, if you press the close widget, that'll pop back up. You can add the trading journal. This will come and show you once again all your positions, the P&L right there. And then once again, just pressing market again, you can see positions. If you were in active positions, it would pop up and show you right here if you were in any, but we're not in any right now. We can actually get in any one right now just so you can see, but boom, when I press buy, I'm in, it's going to go and show you all the positions right here, the total portfolio, and you see we're currently up $2. If I want to get out of it again, once again, I can just come up here, I'm going to buy, sell that contract off, and add it to it once again. So just from that, guys, it literally is so easy. Just clicking around using the platform, to me, it is one of the best platforms I've currently used. So if you want to, go click the link in the description, go get you accounts. We have accounts from $50K all the way up to $150,000 for you to go get funded and start making money. And you can actually get max allocated up to $450,000. Imagine going and placing these small positions, but with $450,000 of funds under your name. Imagine taking that same position, but with $450,000 of funds. So go click that link, go get funded, guys, and go and have fun with the platform. Like I said, you can add all these tools, add them to here. Overall, it is super user friendly. The last thing I do want to show you is how to change colors. A lot of you guys out there have different chart colors when it comes to your trading view. You can do the same here. So what you're going to do is right click, come over to settings, and it's going to show you right under colors. It is going to show you bull border, bear. I like changing them to this blue right here. Go right there, change it like this. And let's say for the bear candles, I wanted them white like this. Pressing on that. Boom. Now you can see chart colors are changed, blue and white. You can go change it to whatever you would like, or just leave at the default. And then once again, if I go and press the settings, I can go and add back that watermark and anything else that you guys did want. I like having the watermark up so I know exactly what I'm on, because I do like looking at multiple charts at a time. But if you want to see multiple charts on your screen, another thing you can do is up here, guys, go to multi-chart. Click on multi-chart and you can have all these different chart types. If you want to click on here, you can see 4 different charts pop up. So if I have 4 different assets I'm looking at or instruments I'm trying to get into a trade on, I can have them all up, and then whenever the opportunity presents itself, I can press buy or sell on whichever market I am looking at. A lot of you guys out there, I know, like trading NASDAQ with US 30 and YM in the morning. So this is a way you could have both of them up at the same time and click buy or sell on whichever one you're looking to get into. But that is all for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, join the Discord in the link in the description and ask any questions. There is thousands of traders there ready to help you. Good luck to you on your trading journey. Go get your account. I hope you guys love the new platform. Let's go.